everybody. Wait, I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, it's my hat. It's been a while. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today, I'm going to be going over my 2025 New Year's resolutions. And then tomorrow, I will be going over how much money I made as an electrician in 2024. So stay tuned for that one. Sorry, it's been a while. So jumping right into it, just some random bullet points. My goal for YouTube is to hit 30,000 subscribers by the end of 2025, which is basically right on par, but I'm going to need a little bit of extra help as I'm a little bit short for 25K for 2024. I still have about 400 to go. So if I can stay on track and get a little bit ahead, I can hit 30K. So I'm just trying to make some realistic goals that I'm not going to fail. So that's my goal with these, is just to make some realistic goals that I can potentially hit so I don't feel like such of a failure that I did a couple days ago going over my goals for that 2024. Next, 3,000 followers on Instagram. I know that's kind of a lot for me because I don't really post that much on Instagram, but I'm at like 2,075 right now, so that's like 925. So that's a lot for me, but maybe we can pop off. Hit $700 a month on YouTube. Sort of realistic. I just have to post more and get lucky with the algorithm. So stay tuned for that one. That's probably a long shot. Daily finances, 500 subscribers on YouTube and 500 subscribers for the Corvette Kid. I really don't know how much I'm going to post on those. I don't think I posted on either of those accounts last year, so that's going to be a long shot, but we'll see. And then make 100 videos on Daily Electrician, and then I forgot to update what my video count is. When I made this, it was like 2015 videos, but I'm shooting for at least a total of 2,115 videos or more, so probably like 2,120 at least. Whatever I am at now plus 100, so yeah, 100 videos for this account. And then I got five more goals to go. So be debt-free by February or March. If I don't buy anything else, which I plan on buying something tomorrow, that's expensive, and I really hope I get it so I can make a video about it. But if I don't buy that, then I'll be debt-free by pretty much the beginning of February. If not, then the end of February or early March. So be debt-free sooner rather than later. And then I'm going to attempt to make 100,000 this year because I'm going to be on unemployment until at least April or May. My unemployment ends in May, so we'll see if any jobs come up back at the airport or elsewhere in Washington, so I don't have to pay Oregon taxes, which would be fantastic. So I'm going to attempt to make 100,000 this year. So realistically, by May, I'm only going to have like $29,000 gross or whatever. So it's going to be a rough last 6 months if I'm going to try to hit that, which will be like $73,000 in 6 months. So we'll see about that, but I really doubt it. And then stay debt-free after becoming debt-free. That's just self-explanatory. Try not to go crazy and buy anything else once I get out of debt. So I think I can do that. Get my 800 credit score back. That might be coming back in the next couple of weeks as I paid off a couple of credit cards. I'm at like 789 right now, so we'll see. If not, then I'll just try to get that back in around June or something when I pay off one of my other $5,000 credit cards. And then the last goal is to save $60,000 in 2025. So that's about it. So some of these probably aren't going to make sense. Some of these are going to make you question my sanity and the number logistics or whatever. So there's a process behind it, but don't you worry. Those are my goals for 2025. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And that's it. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Happy New Year.